In here, we will show you how to print labels in Microsoft Word. First, you can open your Word and create blank documents. To create labels, there is have two methods. You can using step-by-step mail merge wizards or using just click label. I will show first in step-by-step mail merge wizard. And then you can choose labels and starting documents. For label options, we can click this. And we can choose every US letter for some example of labels. Then click OK. Then we can click select recipients and we can click browse. We can just click type a new list and click create. And in here we can create 6 entry, for example. For first name, for example, we have 6 recipients like this, and then we can click OK. And we can give the name, for example, DB labels, and we can put on desktop, for example. And then we can click OK in here. Now we can insert merge files. For example, this is for number title, and then we can hit enter, and first name and space last name, we can click like this. And after we doing like this, we can click update labels and we can preview the results. This is using method 1. In here you can also remove the space paragraph like this, and you can choose update labels again to see the results. This is 6 recipient we have, and we can just printing this document. Voila, because we just have 6 recipient will look like this. And in the number second, we have methods again. If we have static labels, we can just simply click mailings and click labels. For example, in the options, we can choose every US letter and click OK. For example, this is number, name, this is just for static method. We can click new documents and we can print this. That's all tutorial how to print labels in Word. We have using Office 365. Thanks for watching.